Hello, this is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today you're going to witness something extraordinary. Please subscribe and share. We have caught a UFO on video live, but we're going to have Australian Clay lead you through the narration and show you what's going on. So hang on, let me get him. Oh my God, I can't believe what's happening today. There's UFOs flying around here. Oh, it's terrible. It's terrible. Oh my goodness, we got it down on the ground. We're gonna get our own alien life form. What the hell? That's a stinking rotor from a car. Who drives their car that way? How does a car go that far with that kind of rotor? I thought that was a UFO. Oh, that's the craziest thing I done did ever see. Well, I guess we didn't get any UFOs or alien life forms here. Please subscribe and share my videos. Have a great day. Good day.